I now understand how and why the Vietnam War photographers could help swing public American opinion against the war. The Vietnam War was the first televised war. Not just tapes, but also compelling and terrifying photographs made their way out of the combat zones. Owing to the many war photographers whose responsibility it was, as Deputy Wallace Terry puts it, to capture the burden that war causes on humanity, and thereby exciting the public interest of the outside world. Only by watching these strong images the citizens of the world could make a judgment as to whether or not it was a prize worth taking. And the reason why, especially images, has such a huge impact on the public American opinion was because they gave people an opportunity to linger on them in a way they couldn't on film. There's a great example in the documentary where a random Vietnamese guy gets executed by an American soldier. On tape, the execution goes so fast that you don't even realize the cruelty and the pain the soldier caused him, until we see the images and linger on his face, which fill with pain. Also, this particular episode brought a huge realization to the public, because they wouldn't support a dictatorship. The images of pure madness, crying children and rotten corpses were sired into people's brains, and it has been said that a picture of a man committing suicide by setting fire to himself also helped Kennedy decide to stop the war effort.